My name is Mrs. Ngozi Oko. I'm a teacher. I'm a Key Stage 1 teacher. I've been teaching for over 12 years now. I'm also a special needs teacher. I enjoy using Gradely mostly because it's convenient. I don't need to sit at my laptop and use Gradely. All I need is a smartphone. I think it's stressful having to sit with my laptop to prepare my lessons. Most times, the stress of turning on the laptop, connecting it to an internet, and working, your your sitting posture needs to be correct, or you would end up having backache and all of that. But with your phone, your iPad, your tablet, you can access Gradely. I can upload my PowerPoint slides, my lesson notes, my notes itself. I can upload videos there. I can upload worksheets. I can upload anything just with my phone. Once an Android phone and it's connected to the internet, I can do that. And I can also send messages to my students too, and they will receive it immediately. So I love the convenience with Gradely. I love how easy and simple it is to get your job done. You get your work done very fast with Gradely. One of the most remarkable experience that I had was when we used it for our class assembly. It was raining heavily and we were all in the classes. We were asked to connect to Gradely. Actually, that morning I came into school very late and there was this deadline, like connect to Gradely now or you get served a query. And I met with the quality assurance. I was like, I can't connect to Gradely. I can't remember my password because I've not used it for like 3 weeks and I can't start logging onto my laptop right now to connect my class to Gradely, and I may be served query in the next 1 hour. And she was like, sort it out, it's not my business. And when I logged onto my laptop, luckily I had this Google saved passwords and it was so fast. We connected and the children had fun with it. So that was the most exciting experience I had. And I also noticed that even when I stepped out of the class for the assembly, even when I connected with the phone, I was also part of the assembly. We were all in school, but we didn't need to come together physically. We had our class assembly online and it went smoothly. I don't need to send homework home all the time now. All I need is for the parents to cooperate with me, have all these gadgets that they need, even if it's a phone for their children, because I try to set questions that is like multi-choice, that you can actually pick from, just pick the options. So all I need also is to have my phone, upload the questions for them, and they can get their work done. I don't need to start looking for a printer to use to print worksheets for the children. If we have any form of electricity issue or power issues or network issues, I can always send the homework even before the children get home on Gradely. So I love that about Gradely.